Every learner driver asks the same question. Am I ready for my driving test? The truth is, being ready isn't a feeling, it's something you can prove. In this lesson, you'll discover the 3 stages every learner driver goes through and the biggest mistake that stops people from becoming truly test ready.
So, there are 3 recognizable processes in this learning to drive, and I'm going to be talking about somebody who comes through the driving and what they should be looking at and working through with their instructor. When they start and they're a new driver up to about 14 to 15 hours, everything they do needs to be talked through by the instructor. Okay, slow down. Can you see the giveaway sign? Can you do this? Slow down. Turn more to the left in the giveaway. You must be more to the left. Put on your mirror, do your mirror signal maneuver. That's the sort of stuff the instructor will be talking to the student about in phase 1. Slow down, you're going too fast, you're too close to that car, all this sort of stuff. Now in phase 2, the instructor needs to be backing off, or the person instructing you needs to be backing off. And you should feel that they are now doing maybe, and this is bad for me to say, more work on their phone, which they shouldn't be doing, or they are more relaxed about your driving, and they're only prompting you where it's necessary, and they're watching to keep you safe. In phase 3, they should not be talking to you about your driving. And that's where the mom and the dad become a problem. Because what happens is, the mom and the dad think they're doing you a favor by talking you through the process. When in actual fact, all they're doing is they're taking away your responsibility to make decisions. You need to get to the stage where you can make the decisions. Because the examiner in the test is not going to sit there and tell you what to do. And you have to learn to make those decisions. And that needs to come from your knowledge in phase 1 and phase 2. If you're driving with your mom and dad and they are telling you, your dad is telling you, slow down now, you're going too fast. Look at your speedometer, do this, do that. Use the left-hand lane, stay in the left-hand lane. Now look behind you, there's somebody coming. Guys, nightmare. Because the next time you get in the car with me, I'm going to be wanting you to drive in phase 3. And now there's a mismatch between what you've been taught and what I'm teaching you. Because now I'm backing off. I'm not going to help you. I want you to make decisions. All right. Okay. So guys, phase 1, full instruction. Phase 2, assisted driving. Phase 3, evaluated driving. You need to make the decisions. If you can't make the decisions under all circumstances, you are not ready for the driving test, because you are going to be doing things wrong because you don't know what you're doing. And the only way you get quickly to phase 3 is by knowing your groundwork, which is captured in the academy. Please guys, don't underestimate that. If you want to save money and you want to pass your driving test, I see it in my students. And that's why I'm so pedantic about it. If they actually go away and they go and study the things they're struggling with and look for them on the academy, the next time they go back to their driving lesson with me, I can see the difference in the way they deal with the circumstances, because they now understand it. Okay, so the instructor leads. So in the foundation, the instructor tells you what to do.
If this lesson made you think differently about driving lessons, you've only seen a small part of the complete webinar. Inside the full training, we explain exactly how learners become genuinely pass-ready, how to use mock tests effectively, and why understanding the process can save you time, money, and unnecessary lessons. Visit LDriv Academy using the links below to watch the full webinar and continue your journey towards passing with confidence.